y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Brianna, and today I'm super excited to be showing you guys my winter FabFitFun box. If you guys have not heard of FabFitFun, it's a seasonal subscription box that gives you 8 to 10 full-size beauty, lifestyle, fitness products for only $49.99. But I have a coupon code I'll put up here on the screen and also down below for you guys that will give you $10 off your first box. So I'm going to go through my box, show you guys all my products, how I use them, and tell you guys all about this winter FabFitFun box. So the great thing about these boxes are that you're able to customize them. So I'm going to show you guys the things that I got and also tell you other options if you're interested in getting this winter box. So I got 8 full-size products that are valued at over $200. I'm going to tell you the retail price of each one and just go through them one by one. So the first thing you get in your box is a cute little magazine that basically just shows you all of the products, how much they cost, and information about each one. There's also cute stuff in here like yoga poses, a self-care checklist, and just other general cute things for your winter box. So let me start with my favorite thing that I got is this fluffy robe. Guys, if you guys know me, I'm always cold. As you can tell by my turtleneck, it's only like 50 degrees outside. I am obsessed with this robe. So I got a size medium/large. Let me put this on. So this is a super soft robe, and it has a hood as well, if I can find it. Guys. Oh gosh. Okay, so this is my robe that I absolutely love. I wear it all the time because, like I mentioned, I'm always cold. Even though I live in Texas, I still do get cold. Let me look up this. So this one is Summer and Rose Cozy Robe. It retails for $70. Guys, $70, this one item retails for more than the entire box is. So this is by far my favorite thing that I got, and I definitely love that it has a hood and also you can tie it. So the next thing I got on my box is this facial brush from Daily Concepts. This retails for $20. Something about this pamphlet is it also gives you tips and tricks and how each product is to be used. So this can be used on your face, your forehead, cheeks, neck, anything on your face. It says that it reduces puffiness and stimulates your lymphatic pathways. So I've been using this around my nose and my chin area where I get a lot of pores, just to kind of gently scrub out some of that gunk, and it really has been helping. I try not to use exfoliating cleansers, so I use just my normal cleanser and use this gentle brush to kind of just scrub in a circular motion around those areas where I know I have more pores. Next up is a dry shampoo powder. This is from the brand DPHQ. It's their apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. So I do like to exercise and work out a lot. I have curly hair, so I definitely do not wash my hair every single day that I work out. This has been great for kind of those days just to gently refresh my scalp. And so what I'll do is after a workout, I'll kind of just like sprinkle some powder into my scalp, massage it in, and then actually what I do is the next morning I will go in with an oil and gently rub that in. So the reason for that is if you have curly hair, you know your hair gets very dry, and so I use this to kind of just cleanse all the dirt and grime post-workout off of my scalp. It does leave a slight white residue because my hair is very dark, and so the next morning I'll go in with an oil and just gently massage that in just to stimulate some moisture and growth back into my scalp, and that also gets rid of that white powdery residue. So this stuff is actually really great. I only use this once or twice a week because it does have apple cider vinegar, and so I don't want to use it every single day. This stuff is awesome. It's also super small, so you can carry it in your purse or gym bag. Okay, so I did say that robe was my favorite, but actually I think this next thing is my top favorite product from this box. This is an amazing mascara from the brand ILIA. So this retails for $28. It's the ILIA Beauty Limitless Lash Mascara. I've never heard of this brand or tried anything from them, but this mascara is bomb. I haven't really been wearing a lot of makeup except for when I film YouTube videos, but this mascara is amazing. It has such a great applicator. Let me come show you guys because look. I'm wearing this mascara right now and my lashes look amazing. I have it on the top and bottom. Also, I really do love the applicator. So here's what the applicator looks like. It's just super nice and easy. It doesn't get messy, it glides on great, and it's really good at just pushing and defining all of my lashes. So here are my lashes. I absolutely love this mascara so much I had to come all up in the camera. Next up is this cute card case. It's a nice like snakeskin leathery red material. This retails for $35 from the brand Below. So it's kind of like a crocodile material with a gold zipper. Super cute just to carry a credit card, debit card, ID, just like this. The inside is also red. Next up is Murad's Rapid Collagen Infusion. I have never used the brand Murad because it's so expensive. This retails for a whopping $78 and you only get a couple of ounces. So the fact that you get all these products in this box for the price is pretty amazing. So again, I've never used Murad because it's so expensive. I also have never used collagen in my skincare routine. I know that oftentimes collagen is more marketed towards older people, but guys, you are never too young to start your skincare routine. This stuff has been treating my skin so nicely. I use it maybe 3 to 4 times a week as my moisturizer, and so after I wash my face, tone, I'll do about a pump of this. It smells amazing and also it's lasted me a while. I've been using this for about 4 weeks now and I've barely made a dent in the product. So this stuff is awesome. It says that it's formulated with collagen amino acids and it's used to reduce fine lines or wrinkles. I'm 24, so I don't have any wrinkles yet, but I won't have them if I continue using collagen. So this stuff is awesome, and again, I've heard great things about the Murad brand, so I'm super happy that I got to try this and get my hands on this product. Tula, also another pretty expensive brand that I've never got to try just because again it is kind of unaffordable, but this is their under eye brightening balm. It retails for $30. This stuff, I know I can't say that everything is my favorite, but okay, this is definitely top 3. So I've been using this actually not just under my eyes. I'll put it under my eyes, a bit on top, on my nose, even on my chin. It kind of serves also as highlight and has this nice like cooling sensation. So normally I will moisturize with my Murad and then over top just gently rub this under my eyes and on those highlight parts. I know it's not used or supposed to be used as highlight, but you get a nice little glow, and so these two together have been my go-to just for daily moisturizer. Next is a liquid eyeliner from the brand Estetica. This one retails for $21. So I will be fully transparent and tell you guys that I do not wear eyeliner. I have never ever been able to apply it. I don't know why, if my hand's not steady or I just suck at eyeliner, but I did try this and it definitely has a very smooth applicator. So if you guys know like these types of liquid eyeliners that have the really flimsy applicator, it's difficult to apply. This one is more firm, and so if you are better and more capable of me than doing the eyeliner, this is an awesome tool. I'm probably going to end up giving this to my sister or my cousin, people who actually have the skill or knowledge to do eyeliner. So this one is a super cute black eyeliner. And those were all the products I got. In my box, I also got a coupon for HelloFresh. I have tried this meal service once, and guys, their stuff is amazing. I actually kind of took and tweaked a recipe from them, and I swear to you guys, I literally will eat that for lunch and dinner like 5 times a week. So I got an $80 coupon off of HelloFresh, and then I also got a pamphlet to a wine company and a cute little FabFitFun sticker. So those are all the things in my box. Let me just quickly show you guys some of the other options if you do want to customize your box. So again, you get 8 to 10 full-size products and you do get to choose between different ones. So just to quickly give you guys an overview, some of the other things to choose from, there are champagne glasses, there's a Vera Bradley organizer. If you guys know people who love Vera Bradley, this is definitely a great option. Also, if you're looking for a Christmas gift, this could be a great thing to give to somebody because you get so much in your box. Let's see. There's an LED mirror, an eyeshadow palette, a scarf. Ooh, there's Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs that are super cute. They have fluffy socks, a headband, a vanilla bean lip scrub. There's also an advanced whitening kit for your teeth. There's an elixir for your face, elixir. So there are definitely a bunch of other products to choose from depending on what you want or what you want to gift to somebody. So again, if you guys use my code, you will save $10 on your first box. 8 to 10 full-size beauty products valued at, I would say, well over $200 for $39.99, and FabFitFun is available in the US, UK, and Canada. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about the products or about FabFitFun, comment down below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Again, make sure that you guys use my code for $39.99 on your winter box. Use it for yourself, for your mom, your cousin, your girlfriend. Somebody is going to enjoy getting these products. So again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed down below and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.